So how has your day been?
Little bit stressed because my exam is going on.
Your exams are going on.
Yes, yes,
Engineering third
yes.
third year, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. Okay. All right.
And
Don't worry
so,
if
how
you
are you,
stress
man?
a lot. Yeah, you were
Yeah,
saying something?
actually, yes, yes. I want to ask you that how are you?
Oh, I'm good. I'm good. Thanks for asking. I'm
Oh,
good. Yeah.
okay. And where are you from?
I am from UP basically.
Oh,
Yeah.
and I am from West Bengal.
West Bengal. Okay.
And
Kolkata.
yes, Kolkata. Yeah,
Okay.
and it is the first class with you, I think.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah. We are having the first session together. Right.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So you're studying in Kolkata only?
Uh, no, actually, my college is situated at Purulia. I
Uh,
am pursuing my bachelor degree in Purulia Government Engineering College. So I have to move for study.
is that too in Bengal?
Yes, yes. It is.
Okay.
The college is in Bengal. The locality is Bengal.
Okay. Okay. It's located in Bengal. All right. Great then. So currently you might be at your home only, right?
Yes, yes. During pandemic,
Yeah. Everybody. That's the same with everybody.
yes, and
Right.
all the works are I'm doing staying at home, taking online classes, and also attending exams.
Yeah. Okay. You said all the works you're doing at home?
All the works. I mean to say that just
No, that
educational
is
works.
something in which I want to make a correction.
Okay. Yes.
You
Yes.
can
Yes.
say you can say all the work I'm doing at home. Works is not important. Just
Oh.
work would do, right?
Okay. 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 Oh.
Yeah.
All the
All
work.
right.
All the work.
Yeah. All the work you're doing from home only. Yeah.
Yes.
And as well as you said you're writing your exams from home only, right?
Yes. Yes. Submitting assignments and also writing exams.
Actually, this is the same case with everybody. This is our colleges are just going away. Our graduating and post graduating time is
And
okay.
sometimes I think that maybe I think it never it could not happen because I do not pass my college staying at home. I want to meet my friends and also teachers.
That will definitely happen, I think, because the vaccine is on the way, I think.
Yes, yes,
So it has actually been introduced. So we'll get to see. I don't know because my this is my last semester. So I'm not sure
oh,
about mine, but you guys have one more year left. So you will
yes,
probably get to
maybe,
live
maybe,
your last year in
yes,
college. Right.
maybe.
Okay. Okay. So can we talk about something like a bizarre surprise now?
Bizarre. Let's see what
You
is
know
waiting.
what bizarre is, right?
Something unexperienced, unexpected thing.
Exactly. Right.
Okay, okay. Let's see.
Okay. Okay. So let's imagine that you are in a forest, right? And you're walking
Forest.
in the
Okay,
forest. Yeah.
okay,
And then suddenly you see a black colored briefcase, all right,
okay,
on the
okay.
ground. Okay. And it has around 10 crore rupees.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. Yeah. Also, there is this some kind of blood-stained cloth, and there is just one word written on that cloth that is "don't."
Oh, the
Okay,
word is written on the suitcase that is don't.
yeah. Inside the suitcase or the briefcase, there is this blood-stained cloth,
Oh, okay,
and on
okay,
it, it's written "don't." All right. Okay.
okay.
So, what would be your reaction?
Uh, First, when I see the money, a lot of money, because I can't see, I am not able to see such a large of amount of money. So it is
Such a large amount of money.
such a
Yeah.
large amount of money. So I am really fascinated to see that. But
Okay.
when I see, when I read the word that don't, uh, it make me something doubt.
Okay.
So what
So
I
it
should I
puts you
what
in
should
doubt. It will put you in doubt.
okay, okay. So
Yeah. Okay.
it will put me into doubt. So I am thinking that how should I do? Uh, at so it may be something.
Okay.
Actually,
Who
the
would you?
yeah.
Yeah. Do you have something to say?
Actually, I'm thinking that what should I do with this money, because only the word don't makes me put me into doubt. So I'm really
It puts
scared
you in
that
doubt. Yeah.
this puts me into doubt.
Yeah.
So I'm very scared. Said, what should I do? Then I just thinking around and also seeing around. Then
Okay.
maybe
So you're
sometimes
scared.
after, yes,
Hmm.
and after some time, a lot of thinking, I should take a little bit of money.
Okay. All right. Okay. So who would you tell? Who would you tell about this?
Uh, uh, Nobody, because I can't see anybody in the forest, so that's why. And I cannot take the whole money, so I just take a little bit, a part of this money, and
Okay.
rushed
So
away from this place.
and you will rush away.
Yes,
Okay. So you won't take the suitcase home?
actually, no, I do not take the suitcase whole, because maybe someone is, uh, when I coming into the home, then I have to cross the market road and also a lot of crowded road. So maybe someone is watching me or following me, what what is in the suitcase, because nobody can see that I am taking a suitcase into the going into the forest. So that our so to clear the thing that I should take money a little bit in my pocket. That's it.
Okay. Okay. You said that while I'm coming into the home, right? That's what you said.
Yes, yes.
Okay. You should have said while I'm going to my home. Okay. Or when I'll be going to my home. Because
Oh,
you are in the forest, right? And your home is somewhere else. So we'll say
okay,
when I'm going from the forest to my home. So when I'm going, not coming. Okay.
okay, going. Okay. Oh,
Yeah.
yes, yes.
Yeah. And when you're in your house and somebody is coming from somewhere to your house, and you say, yeah, the person is coming to the house,
Okay,
to my house. Okay.
okay, okay.
So
Yes.
this is the basic difference between come and go,
Okay. Yes.
right? Yeah. Okay, let's say for example that you have to take the suitcase home and there's no other option. You take it with you to your home. Then what would you do when you have a whole lot of 10 crore rupees?
Is there anything without money or any certificate or anything address? So I have to check
With
out
the
fast.
money?
Yes, I have to check out
Okay.
fast. Uh,
Okay.
Returning, going to home. So I have to check
Mm-hmm.
fast.
Mm-hmm.
So it is my first job.
Yeah, right.
Or anything later.
I can't hear you. There is some
Okay, okay.
network issue. Yeah,
Now is
please
it okay?
repeat.
Anything
Please repeat.
like, okay, okay. Anything like later, I have to check first.
Okay. So firstly, you will check if there is anything in the
Yes, yes.
briefcase that you can that
Any
can help you.
documents or anything like that.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. And if there is not,
Uh, then I then I have to think more, that what should I do. Actually, maybe I, if there is any no clue or no something, like required documents, so I have to give in the this suitcase to the police.
Okay. Okay. Uh,
If
give
I if
in.
I
Mhm.
if I take the suitcase wholly, otherwise I just left it in the forest and take some money. That's it. That makes me
Yeah.
happy.
Okay. Okay. So you're satisfied with some
Yes,
money. Even
some
if
money.
you carry, there's 10 crore, and if you carry 1 crore, that is, I think, a huge amount,
Yeah, huge
isn't
amount.
it? Yeah. All right. Okay. So when we have imagined a situation that you have taken the suitcase home, so how would you describe the situation to your family members about this? Like, how did you get
Uh,
it?
uh, Suitcase. If I take the
Yeah.
suitcase, oh yeah, I
Yeah.
generally talk the whole situation, what I faced and what I
You will
feel.
generally tell, right?
Yes, tell
Yeah.
my
Okay.
family members that how I received this, how I get this, and yeah,
Or
I
maybe
tell
how
them.
you encountered this briefcase or suitcase on the
Okay, how I
floor, on the
encountered,
ground, sorry.
yes, in the
Yeah.
forest,
Because
how
you
I
did
get
not
this.
receive it. You did not receive it from anybody.
Okay, yes. So I totally tell the truth.
I will totally tell the truth.
Okay, yeah, I will totally tell the truth.
Right. Okay. Okay. So, Indrajit, our time is up. It's
Oh.
7:25 already.
Okay. Oh.
And okay. So, do you have any questions or queries before we wrap up?
Uh, no, is it okay? It is really great. It is okay a lot because you corrected my mistakes and I learned a lot of new way to speak, a lot of ways. So it is great.
Okay, that's great. You like the session?
Yes, obviously.
Okay. Okay, then I'll see you in the next session. All right.
Okay, yeah, obviously.
Yeah.
Stay safe, stay happy, and see you soon.
You too. Thank you. Take
Okay,
care.
yeah, bye.
Bye.